Okay, let me just check. Good. Fire in. What's up, people? It's Blaze. Remember, if you're not flame, just Blaze. So today I'm live streaming earlier because today is gonna be news. Actually, in 3 minutes, there's gonna be PMI, core retail, whatever it is. I'm not gonna trade that because I don't want to trade news now, but I just want to see with you what's going to happen. So as well, a quick promo. I just built a software and a website as well. Whenever I build something, I do a website with it to show the company, to show the product itself, or what it's about. So we want to build a website, we want to build a mobile app, we want to build something. You can ask me, I can help you. You can even ask me for the chat. With you, I'm a web developer. I develop things. I build software. I use different codes. Although you can use AI, but it's the same thing. If you don't know what you're doing, that's not very recommended. But still, it's a good approach to building something. But as I said, you can call me. Okay, that was very quick. I think you already know it. I build things. I just build a website on our website, not software. Remember, I post my softwares in a different account. If it's related to trading or investing, then I will put it on Blaze. But you will have to go for my account, which has my real name, and it's called Stephen. You just have to search for it, and you'll see my face on a suit. So, but today it's gonna be a good day. I hope so. Yesterday was actually, um, I should have been traded yesterday, and I should have lost, but that's life. You lose. That's simple. Okay, so today I'm just gonna wait, and I'm starting to think whether to trade with MMT because of order flow inside of it. The only problem is you can only trade crypto there. If there was gold or forex, man, it will be amazing. Have to connect it to an exchange and everything. Okay, okay. USDC. Oh, futures. Okay. Wait. There's forex. Oh, wait. There's gold. Yo, chat. This is amazing. Can I trade here, man? Can I trade here? Let me check. Okay, wait. Get this out. Yeah, but this one is not. This is Hyperliquid. This is the exchange. Wait, come on, wait a minute. Wait, let me see. Four. No, it doesn't look gold. This is not gold. No, it's not. No, it's not. Gold does not move like that. No. Nah. I really thought it was gonna be. Oh wait, what are you doing here? Okay, out. It was going to be. Let me check what price. Okay, so today we are 480. Nah, it's not even close. But it's a good approach to gold, so I think I'm gonna trade here. So not trade here, but I'm gonna. Okay, heat map, nice, beautiful, done. You got bone profile session, and for each session, and as well, I'm gonna go with a TPO footprint cluster. You can use a cluster, or you can use the footprint profile, which has a profile. Which one is better? It will be up to you. Okay, that's something up to you. Okay, now it's going down. There's news today. Okay, let me check the other one. It's gonna drop. Okay, wow, sorry. Woo! Those are news, baby. Okay, so actually PMI, CPI, all these days are actually good. I mean, look at this candle. This candle is news. Okay, you don't get these candles in a normal day unless it is manipulation. As you know, gold, stocks, crypto are just manipulated by institutions, hedge funds, banks. It is what it is. So I'm actually gonna have two charts. One for. Let me change. Oh no, it's good. It's good. So it's actually going down. Can I the TPO charts here. The difference between, okay, I'm gonna use the cluster ones, but the difference, I wanna, I'm gonna add the B web, A web. Okay, no, not this one. Okay, and it's all I could add. Maybe, okay, I'm gonna 1 second. No, 1 second, no, that's too much. I'm gonna be at 1 minute. Okay, so yeah. No, actually, it's replicating the price of gold. We're currently at 778. 779. Sorry, this one is actually, as you know, TradingView is very. But I'm seeing that price is moving the same way. So that's actually a good thing to have it here. Oh, baby. It's gonna be so great. 182 now is gonna push, push, and push. It's pushing now. Good. So you cannot see this. You're not seeing this, but I have the MMT as well, and it's actually replicating price as well. I'm trading gold in USD in Hyperliquid. This is an exchange that which I don't know what it is. I'm gonna search it up right now. I've seen it maybe in crypto, but I don't know what it is. Hyperliquid. Okay. Is liquidity or something like that? Trading perhaps Hyperliquid is okay. It's a blockchain. Okay, so it's working on a blockchain. I see this before because I think I invested in one of those crypto coins. I invest also as well in crypto. Yeah, I have this. Yeah, I have this. Yeah. Okay, so I invest in as well in stocks and crypto. I do not only trade, but I invest. I used to trade meme coins, but it's just a place that is not for me. You know, I used to pray. I used to trade that. I didn't live stream or made any videos about it. And you know what to say? If you quit, it's because you weren't good enough. Yeah, maybe. I'm not scared to say that, but the same thing is that crypto is another thing. When I mean crypto, I'm not saying Bitcoin. I'm saying meme coins. Meme coins are just another way, another place, man. I trade crypto. I trade Bitcoin. I won't say I would like to trade it again. It's not for me. I'm more for futures. I'm more for stocks, forex a little bit with gold. Well, futures CFDs in this case because in order to trade Nasdaq, you will have to trade with an exchange that allows you to trade futures. So, okay, looking good. I don't know why. Okay, yeah. There's the 1 minute, so that's the only problem with the 1 minute. I'm gonna go with 15 minutes. And I'm seeing the bone profile here. I'm seeing the TPO chart cluster and the bone profile, and as well have the heat map. The heat map I need to adjust a little bit, but it's a good way to trade. Edge balance, trading wallet. Gonna connect this one, Bronson wallet. No, no foul. Nope. Okay, it's a good thing. And I have to trade today on New York, so wait. So today, bullish day, bearish day actually. I could be looking for a bullish trend. A long position today. This one has been liquidated. This one as well has been liquidated, so you need to be careful with that. Actually, this one, I'm gonna take this one. And this one has been liquidated like this. So today, bullish. It could be bearish and continue with acceptance, but I believe in the strategy. I believe in what I do. Oh, actually sucks. This one sucks. Okay, nah. Nope, not trading this. So very manipulated. If you traded today with a manipulation downsides, congratulations, you've done a great thing. If you didn't, sorry for you. It is what it is. Okay, so this is an order block, bearish order block, 30 minutes. Always have the confluences in a high time frame, higher time frame. Always, people, do not stock in a low time frames. It will be gambling for you. You're not ready to be entered to quant time or quant price. You're gonna be stopped out. Okay. I would like to show you the website, man, but I think I'm gonna do it next day. I'm gonna make a website actually for trading companies and crypto and stocks. Two different websites, and I'm gonna show it to you. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you different projects I made. And the next project, as I told you, I'm not gonna give you a spoiler about it, but I'm gonna make a website about it, software itself. But it will be a good thing, and it's actually related to MMT. So with that being said, I'm telling you everything you need to know. If you know, you know. So, okay, bullish for about a gap. That's actually being inversed. That has been inversed. I mean, it would be bad to look for a short today. We're not even close to, look at this. 21 has started bearish. We're now entering into a time accumulation, and now what price should do is make an imbalance to create a new balance, rebalance, creating this. Well, this was an imbalance actually. There's no balance in here. This movement is just an imbalance. This is a balance. What I think the price can go up again a little bit, take out these highs, maybe, and go back to it. But it's not giving any signs that would like to go, and take all this. And if it take this, it could take all this. But well, it is what it is. It's not even 3x still, so it's very early. But as you know, today's I cannot. I have to work, so before 4 I need to go out. That's why I'm trading actually free. Although at 3 p.m. most of the times it's just not big movements. I'm not saying there's no movement at all. You can trade within that time zone, but it's not something I would like to do to trade. I'm not, satisfied, comfortable with that time zone. There's no much setup for me there, and if there was, actually there will be only a few days like yesterday. Actually, yesterday was a good day to trade within that time, within 3:30, but it is what it is. Okay, for the gap. Sorry, it was 30 minutes. No, 15 minutes. Okay, 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 5 to 50 minutes, and then we're gonna draw the equilibrium and gonna see what possibilities it is. I'm gonna draw from high to low in this case. Yeah, this is the range. If there was a bone profile, it will be the range, and this equilibrium only is telling me the highest and the lowest of the day, with it, which is a range, but I'm not trading between all these ranges. I'm trading between these ranges of TRT and draw my bone profile. That will be at 3. But since, look at that, man, it's just wow. There's no volume, dude. Okay, I made a mistake, sorry. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Of course, there's no volume, it hasn't happened yet. Now, sorry, apologies. This is of the day. As I said, if you're in the tree bone profile, you need to have one. If you can have one for the day, good. But I like to have one in general, and then one that trades within different time frames. Every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 15, whatever it is, or even per session. If you could do that, it will be great. But if you don't, well, look at this. Well, you cannot see it, sorry. But this one is taking me off the day. 15 minutes in this case. And I have one for the day. And it's telling me the same thing. It's literally the same as the bone profile. It's the same. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know what I did. Uh-oh. Close the window. Yeah. Okay, just open the mail. Okay, good. So I'm seeing actually the bone profile and the TPO is looking bearish today, very bearish. So what I could be looking for is maybe a rejection from here. Not looking for an acceptance, but at the same time, look at this. I just know price is gonna get there, man. It has rejected already this CRTL. It's doing it again and again and again. And what I'm looking for is maybe a push or a little rejection and then finally the final acceptance. That could be something good. Could be waiting for these lows to be taken and trade for this. I need more confirmation. But I mean, price resisting. Yeah, I had accepted this. Actually, the CRT. He has made his rejection. I could be looking for these highs to be taken, and that's it. And half level, that's it. Because there's liquidity, but there's unfilled orders actually. Unfilled. So look at the MMT. What's happening here? Looking very good. Look at aggressive buyers. Look at this. Taking here and then dump right it. What? Whoa. Wait. 12, but we have 2. Okay, more indicators. What would it be? TPO. TPO is actually a good thing. Wow, it's going slow. Okay. TPO daily, you're out. Nope. I could put the VWAP or I could put the CBD. I think the WAP is something that, yeah, you could have it. It's only marking the day. You can just adjust it to weekly custom. But I mean, it's not something that I would use. CVDs, you could use a Camille Delta, which what you will be doing is comparing what's literally happening in the price. The same. You could use it. Oh wait. You couldn't. Oh, I just took out the bone profile. Wait. These are the volumes. Out. And out. And I'm just gonna trade a volume. Okay, there's a session. Good. This would be daily, yeah. Okay, this is taking per session. I'm gonna do it between session period. Call grade. Okay, of course I'm gonna put Binance on it. This one is per day. So You know what? I'm gonna take out the high text. Good. Naked values and volume label. What's the difference with it? Okay, good. Ouch. Okay, so I'm seeing as well here. Prices went out of the range of the bone profile. So that means it's an acceptance state, as you know it. Simple. Okay, the range. Okay, of course this is the lowest point of the day. I'm seeing as well in the MMT because it's exactly the same. That's why I'm telling you this one. But this is, of course, you have the range of the day. Okay, you have the highest point and the lowest point. But inside of that range, you get the volume profile. Inside of the AMT, let's say, you got the range. Well, you got the volume A high, the low. Inside of that is the point of control. Okay. So, um, I'm gonna let this on. I'm gonna be back. Sorry, I had to do something very quick. Now, has anything stopped? No? Good, good. Okay, nobody's telling me anything after the chats. What's this? No, nobody's watching. Yeah, on Twitch it is. Okay, so I was saying, um, the bone profile and everything. Okay. So actually, price is looking for an acceptance because it's very out of the range. It's not looking that's gonna go up. So maybe I will trade acceptance today. I don't know. I mean, it's not giving me anything. I don't have the resources for me to be saying, okay, maybe price is going up. There's no, literally, there's nothing, no confluences that's telling me it could go up for a little bit of rejectance, but I still think there's gonna be an acceptance today, literally. So I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna take this order block here, and I'm actually gonna use the same. This is not for black. I'm sorry. This is an order block. Okay, so in order forward, the only thing you would need, literally, is just bone profile, um, footprint charts, and that's it. That's literally the only thing you will need. You can add CVDs, cumulative volume delta. You could add volume WAP, BWAP. I'm not a big fan of BWAP. I'm not saying that you shouldn't use it. Use it, but it's just something that I don't use. Simple as that. Okay. But volume profile as well. Heat map is actually a good thing. DOM is actually a good thing. You need DOM. Actually, I can see DOM here. It's a widget. I got order book and DOM. These are the things you need. Commodities with Forex. The problem with Forex is that literally there's nothing. Oh. Yep. Commodity. What about commodities? Yeah, gold. There is gold. Good. I'm gonna wait. I'm going to highlight it as I need to for next time. Gold. Look at this. Gold USDC from Hyperliquid. Gold is up there. Okay. It should change colors, but yeah, it's up here. Indices as well. We got Nasdaq and the S&P. I'm gonna highlight these two as a DOM, in the DOM. And I'm gonna add it actually. And I'm gonna have as well the order book. Okay. You need to have this maybe on the downside. Yeah. So I have the DOM downsides and I have the okay. Can I? Yeah, a little bit good. Yeah, this. Look at this. I have the DOM working on, and I have the bone profile with the footprint chart, and that's it. The only thing missing here would be a heat map, but as well, heat map is. Okay, so can I have this? Okay, I can have order book and the DOM, and I have everything, people. The only thing we'll be needing is the heat map. I have it here, but I need to adjust a little bit, because it's not looking good, the heat map. And how is it looking? It's gonna be a stream. I will be looking for a short today. Yeah, looking for a short. Let me just check if there's. Yeah, that's actually very, very much liquidity downsides. Today is a day the price is going down. It's not giving any signs that it would go up. Maybe it could go up, but for me, this next few candles gonna be bearish. So I'm gonna be entering bearish. I'm gonna wait for a manipulation, quick manipulation to the upsides as well. So it does every time. It does like So it's gonna be a sell today. I'm gonna take from this high and just take this low here down. Simple as that. There's no need to do anything else. Literally, this is gonna be my stop loss. Today I'm gonna short, and that would be it. So this will be the setup for today. Look at price, I mean, man, it's just bearish. Could go up, yes, as it did here. Look at this movement here, and then go up, then again. So I'll be waiting. Nothing else. Let me check for Zen. It's looking good. Yeah, it's looking great. Looking at the DOM, looking at an order book of gold. Looking at the bone profile, footprint chart. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. With the colors, actually. And as well, I'm building a website. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be free. Okay, run. Let's see, finally, his logging is working. So this is set up, okay. PM. Okay, body, it's good. Okay, now it should work perfectly. The website. Okay, sorry for this. Should be okay. Sorry for that. Yeah, it should be working. Without the need to. Okay, my name. Good. My email. I'm testing something, people. Don't worry about it. Testing the website's working. It's looking good. Okay. Compiling. Good. Come on. Yes. Yes, people. Worked out. Database secured. I just registered. Perfect. Look at the project, man. Okay. Oh, very good. I just need a website for this because this is the web app. I just need a website to present it, and I can just deploy into something and sell my first, one of my first actually completed, because I built something but still not deployed. So I'm gonna show it to you later. This one on my next, on my other account. Looking good, people. Looking good. Okay. This one out. Perfect. Now going to build everything. Okay. So as I was saying, price is going. Look at this accumulation. So this is what the price is gonna do. If it fails to get past this one, which looks like is the same thing as always, it looks like it's gonna fail. Then it goes down. You wanna trade now, but I'm still gonna wait for it a little bit. I don't think if price is gonna get to this level. Maybe this one. I don't know. Yeah, it's getting okay. I think I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna enter from this one. Actually, I'm gonna get this one, and this one, and that's it. Okay, this is me. This is my entry. Will be this one. To win $16 euros, to lose 223, and I'm going to wait. What price is gonna do? Or maybe I could look at for this one actually. Okay. pushing now. Okay, maybe a pullback. Today's bullish. That's the thing. Careful with this thing because it's bullish. It's actually gonna be bullish. So maybe it's gonna push a little bit. I should wait this, but the problem is at 4 I need to go. So I am going to leave it like that. Took already this highs. There's a pullback. It's gonna continue to up. So you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, there's a spider there. I'm going to move this up here and have my entry here. Where did it go? Okay, disappeared. Yeah. Don't mind me. It's almost summer, people. It's actually two kinds of people in summer. Those who are willing to hustle, and those who are willing to party. Yes. Well, I mean, if you want to be successful in the teenagers, you need to sacrifice everything. Time. Okay, I am gonna set calculator. If we are okay. Okay. Okay, so it's going down, man. I should have taken this one and not this high. I don't think price gonna get up there, you know. I really don't think now it's gonna get up that level. Wow. That was a manipulation. No, price is not gonna get up here. I don't think it will. This was the setup. I knew it was gonna be bearish, but I thought it's gonna keep pushing a little bit more. But that's fine. I mean, that's fine. I'm gonna watch for the MMT what's happening. Yeah, it's going down. It will continue to go down. I just need to look closer what's happening inside of it. Okay, yeah, pushing down. Continue to push down. Very, very close. Oh, this is 30 minutes. Sorry. I need to watch the 1 minute. Yes, it's continuing to push down more and more. Perfect. Just perfect. Well, that's fine. Told you it's gonna be bearish. First I thought it was gonna be bullish, you know, something, but I told you it's gonna be bearish. The problem is that I missed my entry again. And I could have made money in nothing, in minutes. But I mean, that's the part of it. The days are just lose, the days just miss. Yeah. Yeah. But very chill, actually. No, even though I lost, even though I missed setup, I'm really chill. There's no feelings, there's nothing, you know, I'm not angry, I'm not nervous. I used to be so emotional when I used to trade. You know, I used to be very influentially emotionally, you know? I was very manipulated by my own emotions, by my own thoughts. Now I'm just relaxed. If it works, perfect. If it doesn't, still perfect. All that matters is that I am consistent in what I do. That's why I always said trade live, people. The only difference between live and funded and demo, it's how you feel. The truth is, you know what I mean? The truth, in demos, in funded, there's no feelings. Yes, of course, you could buy funded, you could lose money if you lose that funded. If you lose it, okay, that's true. You make money. You can make a lot of money, but you lose fixed price. if I don't know a 50K cost, what how much depending on the platform, but costs you 200 to 300 $200 $200, you're losing that. But in live, you can lose more than that. You see, at the end you can always lose 100, but you can win more than 100%. I don't know. Could have made perfect trade actually, but because I wanted to move it forward, if I didn't move it, I will be now. But the reason why I move it is because I was very convinced that's gonna go up. Because I just knew that as always, based on data, based on experience, I thought okay, price just gonna move a little bit more, so I'm gonna secure more. But I mean, it's no problem. It is what it is. It happened, and that's it. Tomorrow I'm gonna trade again, and it will be the same thing. So it's very accurate, man. It's the same. It's the same price. Beautiful, man. Okay, so I could have win like pretty much. What would happen if I put it down here? I could have win $14. That would have been good. That would have been great. But I mean, you lose. You lose, and that's it. The thing is, you don't have to enter now. Beautiful trade, people. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Okay, as well with the website, it's looking good. Perfect. So I don't think I'm gonna trade. Seeing this, I don't think I'm gonna trade. I don't really think I'm gonna trade. Yeah, I'm not. Okay, pushing. And it's gonna spike down. Let me tell you that it did. Yeah, I'm seeing MMT, so I'm giving a spoiler. Where I'm looking for 460, 466. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Not yet. Nope. Still a little bit more. It's a few ticks away from hitting TP. Well, a possible TP, but it didn't. But still good. Grinding. And now I'm gonna do. No trade today, so there's nothing to. I'm not even gonna trade. Nah. This was the trade. This was it. That's it. I could trade, this and then from that, but I'm not. I'm not. Maybe I could. Maybe I could. But I'm not. I'm just not because people. It's not something I would do. Although there's liquidity there, but I'm not. You gotta answer from here and then look for liquidity, but no, dude, no. Boom. But I hit TP perfectly. Perfectly, actually. Oh, look at this. And go for a buy. No, it would be an acceptance still. Just gonna close this one. Well, it is what it is. It would have been great, actually. Would have been great. Although I could trade, going downside because there's liquidity here to be resting around these levels. Got liquidity here, got liquidity here. So yeah, I could enter from here, man. Enter from here, targeting this one. Perfectly good. Maybe from this, I'll trade this to this and this. Um, let's see how it plays. I was gonna make a manipulation. I'm gonna take all this. Maybe this one is gonna keep dropping down. That's what it does. Let me take a picture. Okay. I'm gonna copy this and put it on my trading journal. Okay. If it allows me to, okay. It's not allowing me to. Now, finally. Why is everything going slow, man? It's literally going slow, everything. Okay, maybe this was what I was looking for. Then, you know. Okay, this could be what I was telling you about, and maybe this was the rejectance. It could go up from there, but I don't think so. Maybe if you go out from here, take all this. What would it be? But I don't see this playing. You know what? I don't see this play. And then going down. For me, there's only one possible way. Make a pullback, take these things. But if you take this, it could probably be already a change. I think it's gonna keep pushing. I don't think it's gonna be up till there. It's gonna take you out. You know, I should have let this one play, and that's it. It would have been perfect. It would have been perfect. Yeah, it's gonna keep pushing. So we're gonna keep pushing now. I'm just gonna take this one. We're gonna need to be careful with this one. I'm just gonna see what it's going to do price. If it's end up, maybe I could take the bell pullback maybe from this one, but now I keep going down. So I could have made more than 20 perfectly. It's going up. Okay, took this low. Accumulation is gonna be accumulating this one. I'm gonna take out these highs, but I'm gonna wait for it to. Later. Yeah. Live streaming.
Will be. Mine?
Yep. Okay. That was my dad. Okay, so this is accumulation. I'm doing the notion and then check it trade. Maybe this could be the last one, but I still don't think. Maybe price could take up these levels, and I'm actually looking at MMT. The footprint chart was happening, or the volume was happening with the bone profile as well, with the order book and the DOM. And actually, there's a possibility, but I don't know if this is gonna be before 4. That's the only thing I'm actually concerned about, you know. But if price wants, it could go up and take up these highs, pullbacks, and then go down, you know. But I mean, looking at it, it's not gonna be like that. No. Only missing heat map. Okay, pushing now a little bit. Let me see how it plays. It could choke me out as well. I hope not. I really hope not too. Okay, let me see how it plays. Looking good. Let me see how it's applying. Okay, took out a little bit. Just taking out everything. Sticking a dump, stumping. With 774. What? Oh, sorry. 71. No, it's currently at 770. Yeah. No, it's going up a bit. I know I should have taken this one. I should have taken from this one. overflow is just another level, man. One day I'm gonna have the two sides so you can actually see what am I trading with. Now one thing will be with the MMT alone, and the other day will be with both on the screen. Well, the limit's there. I mean, if the limit wants to go and it's pushing, so okay. Now let me adjust this one. Okay. Okay, looking for another one. It's not resisting very much. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me check. Read of the stream. Looking good. Not even 1 hour, right? Yeah. Yeah, actually, yes, because we've been between two, so well. Okay, maybe it's going up. But maybe it is, the change of direction. Yeah, it is. Let me just check that MMT. What's actually happening? Okay, I'm gonna take it this one. I just saw the MMT what was happening. Look at this. Yeah, it's 770. Sorry, I actually did wrong. It is actually going up, 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 but maybe it's just pullback. Okay. It's going up without nothing, eh? Yeah. I'm gonna wait. It's going. There's coming more delta. Now I'm seeing the DOM. Sorry, yeah, the DOM here. That was the order book. I'm gonna keep pushing. Price now at 70.74. Yeah. I look at MMT as well. So, bang! Woo. Okay, people. Warn you about it that you shouldn't. Okay, if it's gonna keep doing this, maybe, just maybe, it's time for trade. Now it's gonna keep pushing. But I'm actually concerned because there's no structure, so I don't know how much it's gonna last. You know, how much it could hold like this. I mean, it's a good price to buy. Being serious, selling here after what had just happened will be complicated. Not impossible, but I mean, it's just not. You know. But I'm going to wait for what it's gonna do. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Price. Simple. Just going up. Oh yeah, as I told you, this was acceptance. It's riding up. That should have been the trade I should take. And maybe aiming for this or this. But it is what it is, people. Ah, I cannot believe that, dude. So I predicted again what it was gonna do here and then here, but still couldn't even take two. That is the limit. It is what it is. It's gonna keep going up, people. It's just gonna keep going up. And again with the same setup. Well, now it's a chance to actually go. Price when it keeps going down, or not. We want to spikes. It's gonna be a free. Price is gonna price. Trump is gonna be talking, so you need to be careful with that. You're not gonna leave it like that. I know price is gonna take this, go in a little bit, and then go drop. Or maybe you're gonna miss it twice. Don't worry, it's just a pullback. Told you a pullback. Continue to go down. I had to go up. Sorry. It's not. Wow. Okay. No. I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. At this point, just wait. Again. Okay. Bueno, es porque estoy. It was just a pullback. Keep going down. And a website. It's actually looking good. It was just a pullback. Why did it keep going up? I knew it. Told you this was gonna be pullback. And then now we're willing to wait for what's going to happen. It's pushing, it's pushing. Is it gonna be taking this? Okay, careful. It's gonna keep pushing. Okay, just hit. Whoa. Okay, okay. Why is it like this one? Did it move my stop loss? You see that? Okay, hit, hit. Okay, I'm gonna wait for one to keep moving it, but it's looking very bullish. I was actually gonna stop it, but I was just looking at the MMT. I didn't realize it was just there. So, yeah. But there was actually a spread, something, a slippage, because it moved my stop loss to 211, and it was already at it was okay, and got out, people, just like that. Again, told you. Okay, so I was actually looking for this. Cannot believe this, man. Wow. There's going to be news later. So yeah, I should have taken this one rejection and just take this, or even aim for equilibrium, half level. Sorry. Yeah, that was actually what I should have done. Could have win here, could have win here, but I'm attacking the worst one. Okay, that is what it is. Is what it is. Chill. The thing is, I actually done the notion, so I have to do it again. Yep. and I lost very, very bad. I'm gonna pull back. I just know how the market moves. 1985. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let you like that. Oh, come on. So my phone. Out. Okay, I'm gonna journal fast as I can for this one. Oh, come on, it's disgusting, people. Truly it is. But it is what it is. So, they lose to 14 maybe. This was today. Yeah. This is a pullback. It's not gonna go down. Oh, sorry. And I was actually even thinking, to take this high, to enter from this high, but I just let it there. I didn't cancel it. So, lost on 14. Very bad. In 40 seconds, man. But it's good because in 2, I predicted 2 movements that happened, but it didn't take up none. I should have taken this movement, man. Yep. The acceptance. But I mean, looking at this, maybe trade it from here. Always wait for that. Look at this. To win simple and big. I wait. I know it's gonna be okay. Maybe I shouldn't stop there. Okay. Go for a stop loss. Okay, it's looking bad. Very bad trade. You shouldn't do this. But still did. Okay, time entry. It's going slow, dude. Okay, 160. Close that already. Should have waited for that. But I mean, to minimize. It was like 1 cent. Yeah. I should add to my watch trading view notification or stocks, to know when to enter. I'm addicted to the charts. I'm addicted to hustling. What can we learn you? What can you learn from me today again as well? And again, learn to take risk. Who are these people on kick, man? Okay. 1,759 to 6. Okay, so I'm gonna do this Easy Notion, and then I'm out. Out to go to school. My school, sorry. I have to go to my job. Okay, 01. Good. This is 161. I'm entering 5, 45, 15, 15, 47, 24. Direction 2 minutes, 9 minutes. Yeah. Enter price. I'll take a picture. And that will be it. So people, I'm closing the stream. I'm sorry I couldn't be this much longer. Actually, it's been an hour. So, but it is what it is. Okay. I'll take this one. Okay. Perfect. Now it will be dropping. I'm telling you that. Copy this one. Submit a journal. You later have the video. Okay. You have everything. And I will end up doing the website, the web software for CRM I just built for a company. Why is not the video here? That's what I want. Yep. This is it. This is a pullback again and keep going up. Gonna be at 4 actually. It's gonna be Trump speaking in 4 minutes. But still, well, I made a profit, a bit profit, more loss than a profit, but still, I knew 2 things that was gonna happen. The first one is when it went down, I knew it was gonna go down, and then I knew it was gonna do rejection, but still didn't trade that. So I should have made 2 trades, even though it didn't touch limit. I should have made a normal entry. And when I always do normal entry, I always end up losing. So because I don't enter within the confluences, that's the only problem. But still, another day where I know price was going. I told you people at the end, it's consistency. I told you people the real sauce is order flow. You need data for this. The only reason why I trade what I trade is because of data. So that's it. If I combine what I do with AMT, with footprint charts, with bone profile, with DOM, and with order book, and then heat map, and even more confluences like CVDs, VWAPs, gamma levels, bubbles. It will be amazing. I'll post more softwares that you will see and more videos, and also more websites that I will be building. So don't worry about anything. Grateful, really people grateful. I know I'm gonna be successful. It's just a matter of more practice. Remember, if you're ready to flame, just blaze. Blaze is out. I'm out. God bless.